This is a Harry Potter studio tour in Tokyo. This is a Harry Potter themed museum that gives you an exclusive behind the scenes of the makings of the Harry Potter movies. Here we explore 20 plus themed rooms, drink the famous butterbeer, and shop at the Harry Potter gift shop. And in this video, we will be sharing with you the magical Harry Potter experience that this museum has to offer. Alright, so we got here 30 minutes before our tour. To kill time, we explored the gift shop.
There's the tin can cookie that resembles Harry Potter's birthday cake when he first learned he's a wizard.
What is that?
I think, it's like a bag inside the pouch, so if you need to carry anything, you can just use it.
What was this called?
I don't recall.
Oh, this thing was so cute, right? Do you want to get the outfit? It matches your clothes.
No thanks. Okay. Dude.
You're a wizard, Abby.
They're accepting 12:30 now.
Alright, so we're about to enter the tour. Here we go.
So this room is just full of like clippets of each movie that were very popular. They're like floor to like ceiling length and they're really cool. And it wraps around the whole room.
So these rooms ended up being the waiting room for the cinema room. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to film in the cinema room, but pretty much we just watched a short introduction clip to the museum. And then the tour resumed here. This door led us to the Great Hall. This was the first movie set room that we got to explore. They had the long tables with the plates, forks, spoons, and cups all laid out just like the movies. And they had the mannequins of the professors at the front.
I really like how this is just a lot of behind the scene explanation of all of the architectures to the costumes. It's like we're actually part of like the set. Like, you know, when you're watching a movie, you're like wondering what it's like to really stand in the halls or what the stairs are.
Oh, wow.
So we get to really see it over there.
Oh, that's pretty crazy. That's the next room.
Yeah.
This is what it's like to be in Hogwarts.
Yeah. And the stairs actually move. Where is it going?
And so here we're gonna record ourselves so that we can get onto the wall.
Oh, your bags.
We made it!
Dude.
The next section was called Living at Hogwarts. And here we got to see the students' living space. Right next to this was the Quidditch filming experience. Are you gonna cheer?
Yeah.
Let me get your cheer. Yeah.
Do you want to be in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
How'd you do?
That was crazy. I don't know.
I was looking at the wrong camera. Oh, it's learning at Hogwarts here.
Learning at Hogwarts?
Yeah. So we're gonna see like potion and stuff.
Oh, nice. Oh, it stirs by itself. Oh. Oh, there's Hagrid.
Oh. Dude, these trees feel enormous.
This is where I live.
Hey, I found the centaur.
Hey.
Oh, that's creepy.
Oh wait, there's a spider.
Oh, right there, babe.
Let's go in. I'm excited. The Hagrid
Hagrid's hut.
house. Which one do you want?
I'm gonna get this one.
I want this one.
Okay.
And I want this. And I want iced tea.
All right. So I got the melon soda. Let's try it. Okay, this is really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I want to try some.
Okay.
It tastes like those, what is it, the silver cans that you get at like Daiso or something and you twist it open. It's the melon flavor. It's
melon-
basically that.
It's the same thing, yeah.
Mine, it's iced tea. That is not sweet.
It's
I
not
noticed
sweet?
that a lot of the teas in Japan, they're just tea. They're not sweet tea. Yeah.
It's still good.
Yeah, I like it. I
Yeah.
like the aftertaste. It's very strong tea.
Thank you. So you got the Slytherin plate,
Slytherin plate.
and it costed.
2,900 yen. So it's similar to like banger and mash. So
Okay.
like peas and mashed potatoes.
Okay. And then like sausage wrapped around.
I just got the peas, and they're really good. Here,
try
you
it.
try it.
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's actually really good. It's pretty flavorful.
And the sausage is made to look like a snake.
Ah, that's why it's all going around
Yeah.
like that. So. All right, so I got the Gryffindor plate. Bit smaller than what I was expecting. All right, first bite. Still
What?
good, yeah. Right.
Is it soft?
It is.
Tender?
It's tender, yeah. Got the parfait.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Right here it says, "I must not tell lies" on the chocolate.
One? Or this one? Or this one?
I want the macaroons.
Yeah, let's share the back.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think the flavor is?
Strawberry.
Watermelon.
Really? Because there's strawberry here. That's what my guess is.
Strawberry. It's good.
I like
Strawberry
it.
and cream.
No.
It's like a puppy.
Yeah.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, white chocolate. Take a bite of this.
Oh, it's attached to the ice cream. Open. Yeah. Pull it. Yay! Huh?
Interesting.
Let me see.
Take a bite.
Oh, it's flaky.
It's like raspberry, right? On top. And now we're at the parfait.
I'm gonna dive in from here.
Let's try to get all the way down. Yes.
I'm trying to taste all the layers. Hold on.
I had a mix of everything. It's good. It's like strawberry, raspberry. Take the cookie. Cookie's good.
Really? Oh, it's the cookie's like a meringue, like a
Meringue?
raspberry meringue.
Okay, so let's get butterbeer after this, and then we'll continue the tour.
Okay, this cup is souvenir cup. You can take it.
All right, first sip of the butterbeer. How is it?
I just got foam. Tastes just like butterbeer. I like the cream. It's really sweet. It's like a caramel.
How much was it?
1,100 yen.
Okay. And then we get to keep the cup as well.
I know it's a souvenir, and there's an area where you can wash the cup.
Ooh, it's very sweet.
The foam, huh?
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's like caramel. Very similar to the one you get at Universal.
Uh-huh.
But it's very sweet. Excited to keep it?
Yeah.
After drinking the butterbeer, we continued exploring the museum, starting with chess.
Once I make my move, the queen will take me. Then you're free to check the king. No, Harry, no.
Once I make my move, then you're free to check the king. No. Ron, no!
Harry's room.
Harry's room. After them.
Oh
sorry.
my goodness, this is where Harry slept?
A small?
Yeah. It's crazy. It looks like a makeshift bedroom.
Oh, that thing's tiny.
$10,000 envelopes stuffed
This
into
is
Harry.
Yep.
Looks like a dead body.
Yeah.
Looks like a crime scene.
Seriously. Yo, so far, I would say this is my favorite room.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I'll film you.
Okay.
中央に立ってください。そのまま動かないでください。
There's Dobby, and then that's the servant for Malfoy's family.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna go to the room section, which is on the other side.
All right. The next one. It's a green room.
Yeah.
But fiction is storytelling with music. It follows the characters closely and heads the
The next room was Diagon Alley. My favorite part about this room was that the lights kept changing to show day and night, giving us different perspective as you go through the alley. Is this supposed to be like a candy shop?
Yeah, this is the twins' candy shop. It's a prank store too.
Oh, I see. Ron's brothers?
Yeah.
There were only 2 rooms left. The second to last room was the graphics design room. This room displayed designs of newspapers, wanted posters, and this thing. And finally, the last room. All right, time to go.
Time to go.
So we just finished the tour,
Yes.
and at the end, we're back at the shopping center. So you can go around and shop for whatever you want.
I'm gonna shop some more.
And there you go.
Yay.
And thanks for watching. Bye.